Hi, everybody. It's Joe from PrepAgent. I'm here with Cynthia,
Good
fellow
morning.
instructor, teacher, genius of real estate. So, Cynthia, this morning we were talking about people feeling a little insecure, and you had some people even said the S word, which I could, I guess, categorize as smart or stupid, whichever one. And you had some thoughts on that.
I do. So first of all, if you are feeling some anxiety and you're scared about taking a test, understand that you are not alone. That a large percentage of people who are testing haven't taken a test in a very long time, or they do experience test anxiety, and you can overcome that. I have some students and they say, oh, I'm just stupid. No, you're not stupid. Nobody's stupid. We've got to have positive self-talks with ourselves and know that we have the ability to pass the exam. And so we need to be looking in that visor or in the mirror on the visor in your car before you go in and take that exam. Say, hey, I've got this. I am smart. I am prepared. I am going to pass that exam.
Yeah, it's common because this is a second career for most people. And most people haven't taken an exam for a long time. And I guess people who are like super good and comfortable with tests, they go to grad school, become lawyers and doctors, but independent business people like real estate people aren't usually in love with the whole exam test thing. So, it comes across quite a bit.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So anybody can take this test and do well. You just have to believe in yourself. You have to be prepared. And I think PrepAgent's material does such a fantastic job of that, because it gives you the repetition over and over of taking the exams, of giving you the rationale if you were to get a question incorrect.
Right. And I guess for me, people get so caught up, am I smart or am I stupid or this? It's like, just don't think about it. Just do what you need to do. If it takes you a little longer, so be it. If it's a little shorter, so be it. Because I always talk about the goal's not the exam. The goal is to have a successful career. The exam is just a step towards that goal. And however it gets you past that step, that's what it is, right?
It's exactly right. And we see no correlation in how well you're going to do in real estate and how well you did on the exam. I see people that are top producers, and they may be somebody who really struggled with the exams. So they maybe just were a bad test taker or had anxiety that day or whatever. So we don't see any kind of correlation between that. It's just all about hard work.
Yeah, you know what they call the real estate agent who took 10 times to pass the exam? They call him a real estate agent, right?
That's right.
Nobody cares. Like after you pass, nobody cares.
Right.
So if this is difficult for you, there's no point in thinking of yourself as stupid or less intelligent. It just means you got to buckle down a little more and get it done, right?
That's exactly right. And the best way to do that is, I tell the students when we're in our tutoring sessions, is to organize your studying. Organize it by topic. We talk about the little suitcase analogy where we have a topic in each suitcase so that it's easy for you to recall. And when you can recall the information and read those questions through very carefully, it's quite helpful.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Cynthia. Everybody check out our webinars. Cynthia and I teach throughout the week, and Cynthia's offering the private tutoring. And we'll talk to everybody soon.
Sounds great. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.